You ready?
Ready.
Start over.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Hidden Oaks Homestead. I'm Zach. This is my dad. The sun's going down, so we need to shed a little light on the farm.
Let's go. One of the struggles that we have out here on the farm is daylight. We got stuff to do, whether the sun's up or the sun's down. So we go through a lot of flashlights. Personally, we like to use headlamps because when we use headlamps, that gives us our hands to be able to do stuff because we're out here working sun up or sun down. So we have some really cheap headlamps, and then we've got some really expensive ones. But I found a headlamp right in about the mid-range price point. This headlamp is about $30 right in there, and it's awesome. It's ODelfi strip lamp. It's completely rubberized. It's got an adjustable band. It is 230 degrees of lumens across your forehead. It lights everything up in every direction, and it's 350 lumens of power, so it really lights up everything. So we're gonna get out here in the yard as the sun's going down. We got some chores that we got to take care of, and we're gonna put these headlamps to use.
One of our favorite things about this headlamp is the hands-free function. Ain't that cool? We got a few more chores to do. I need to take care of the pigs. Zachary's got to check on his chickens. But we ain't got no sun. You ready? Ready. I'm going to check on my chickens and close those nesting boxes.
Okay, we're out here in the dark and the coyotes are running through. The guard dogs are going crazy right now. So Zachary's probably small enough for them to run him off, to haul off with him. So we're gonna get Zachary inside before the coyotes get him. So that makes nighttime chores a lot easier. What do you think?
Yep.
So 350 lumens, guys. It's so bright. It lights everything up at night. You can think of a million uses for this thing. 230 degrees viewing area from all the way to the left, all the way to the right. Everything you need to see. It really lights it up really bright, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does.
Yes.
We're using words. Cool. All right. If you're interested in getting one, we will leave a link to the website and the description down below. And if you use our promo code Hidden Oaks 10, you'll save an extra 10% when you go to place your order. Guys, we enjoyed making the video. We hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and we will see you next time.
See you next time. What's up, everybody? It's Hidden Oaks Homestead. I'm Zach. This is my dad.
Gosh.
What's going on, guys? It's Hidden Oaks Homestead. I'm Zach. This is my dad. The sun's going. What's up, everybody?
This thing makes chores a breeze, right?
Yeah.
You ready?
Right.
Sun's down. We got a couple of chores we need.
Sun's gone.
All right, we got a couple more chores to do. The sun is gone. I gotta feed the chickens. No, I gotta feed the pigs. So this really helps out doing chores at night, wouldn't you say?
Yep.
You like it? It really, guys, it just lights everything up. 230 degrees strip. This thing really helps out doing chores late at night.
Yep.
When the sun's down. I was so close. I was so close. What you gonna do?
Just.
This thing really helps out in low light conditions. We got a million uses for this thing right here on the farm, right? Why are you not talking?
We don't have a million uses.
Yeah, we do.